Welcome to SafeTeam Solutions. My name is Gabriel, Safety Consultant at SafeTeam Solutions.
My name is Mike, Senior Safety Consultant at SafeTeam Solutions. We're looking to partner with small to medium-sized trucking companies that need help and guidance with their safety goals. Next year, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, plans to change the way they rate carriers. Since 2010, the FMCSA has used a system called CSA, which stands for Compliance, Safety, and Accountability. It's a safety compliance enforcement program of the FMCSA and holds carriers and drivers accountable for their role in safety. It uses a safety measurement system, or SMS, which scores carriers in 7 basics or compliance behaviors based on a 0 to 100 percentile system. We'll go further into this in an upcoming video. We can help you to improve your CSA scores and will assist you to lower your scores by following proven safety policies and practices guaranteed to lower your scores. If you already have alerts on your record, we can assist you in lowering the scores and upgrading your rating. There are only 3 ratings: satisfactory, conditional, and unsatisfactory. And a rating of unsatisfactory will result in the company being shut down unless results are in place within 60 days. Both conditional and unsatisfactory ratings result in higher insurance costs and possible loss of business. The system has had many shortcomings, and as a result, the FMCSA is planning to change the scoring from 7 basic scores to 1 score for safety culture. It is important that your company has a satisfactory safety culture. Here are some of the ways we can assist you to improve your CSA scores and safety culture. Recruiting, retaining, and qualifying drivers by creating a driver qualification file with the proper documentation. We can answer questions like, how many violations or accidents should be allowed? What about the driver's CSA score? Does it affect our business and CSA scores? How can you find out what the driver's CSA score is? How many points does a driver receive per violation? How many points does the company receive for a violation? How much of the driver's previous employment background is necessary to check? What about controlled substance and alcohol testing? What if he received a positive rating at a previous job? Should we have a driver manual with documented policies in place? What other documents are needed in the driver qualification file? Should the driver have a road test? Should I run a previous employment driver's motor vehicle report, or DMVR? Do I need the driver to fill out a certificate of violations every time I run the DMVR? How many violations and what kind are acceptable? What if I use owner-operators? Do I really need a contract? What should be in the contract to protect me? What kind of disciplinary program should be in effect for employee drivers? How do you discipline owner-operators? Is it acceptable to pay a driver via 1099 if they're driving my truck? Is driver training or orientation required for owner-operators? If so, how often and what needs to be covered? How do I handle roadside inspections, citations, and accident reporting? What is a DOT reportable accident? Should a driver always be sent for a drug or alcohol test after he has an accident? Is it possible to track a driver's roadside inspections and accidents if he doesn't let me know about them? What is a random drug test, and how often does a driver have to have one? What if a driver tests positive? What is a drug consortium? What kind of electronic logging device, ELD, do I need? Should I use dash cams? If so, should they face the driver as well? Will I lose drivers if I do this? Should I limit the speed on my trucks? If I use an owner-operator, can I limit his speed? Best of all, at SafeTeam Solutions, we can actually act as your safety department. We can assist you to do all of the things I just mentioned and more. We can go to your facility, present safety meetings, online or in person, using slideshows and videos. New driver orientations. We can retrain drivers, assess your driver qualification and drug and alcohol files. We can create and maintain vehicle maintenance files and assist you in your insurance renewals, DOT audits, removing or reducing citations, identify dangerous behaviors, create a driver manual with your policies. We can also provide a controlled substance and alcohol policy that is acceptable to the FMCSA. We can assist you with hours of service, HOS compliance, and create a web portal for drivers and management. We can help you with document filing and provide a CSA Watch to warn you about dangerous behavior in any of your drivers, and provide a monthly safety analysis to keep you apprised of your company's safety behaviors. Besides creating new driver qualification files, we can maintain files and keep them up to date with current CDLs and medical cards, but also provide a regular audit of the DQ files to be certain they contain the correct, up-to-date documentation. We can also help you to file your United Carrier Registration, or UCR, your BOC3, your US DOT MCS 150, Motor Carrier Identification Report, and also your quarterly International Fuel Tax Agreement, or IFTA, reports and Forms 2290, Heavy Use Road Tax. We can also assist you with licensing your vehicles. Other questions are, should I be Smartway certified? What is it and how much does it cost? In other words, you can keep your eye on growing your business and allow us to handle your administrative and safety difficulties. Our website is safeteam.solutions. We'll be posting further videos and blogs, and they will all be available on our website.